Yeah, I know, right? Isn't that really cool? Oh, I'll get the door. La 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 la. Getting the door. What's in the way? Ooh, a package. Wonder who it's for. As it's for us. Let me go push it from the back way. And now I'm just going to drag myself. Dragging. Oh! That was harder than I thought. The door's closed. Hey Molly! Check out what was out the door! Coming. Seems strange. I didn't order anything. Neither did I. Put it. How do you know it's okay? I really don't care. Just open it already. Come on. Looks like someone sent us blankets, but I really don't know. This is so complicated to open. It's upside down. It's upside down. Let's move over. It's a baby. Take off this. So cute. I just want to hold the baby. It's so gorgeous. It's so beautiful. I hope I didn't break the baby. Oh, up she goes. There you go, baby. Get your blanket. There you go. Baby's all better. Okay. So there's the baby. Oh, there's another package. Molly, you open it. Come on, Molly. Okay. Do. Kick it. Woo. Kick it. Woo. Okay. Let's see what it is. Do. Oh. Molly, are you okay? Yeah, fine. Let me just sit down. Open the package with my foot. Looks like there's a red book in there. Didn't you want a red book, Molly? A red book? There's a red book in there! Whoa, red book! Let me try to get it out. Oh! The book I've always wanted! What's the book again? Well, just dropped it, Abby. Thanks. Let's see. Why can't I do this? Never mind. Let's see. Woodward's Cabin and Library. I've always wanted this book. It has such beautiful pictures and cool words that I can read myself. Awesome! Did you get anything, Abby? It's a mini puppy! Get out of there! I want you! Get! Avalanche. Get out of there! Come on, puppy! Ugh. Molly, do you think you can get it out? Yep. It's so cute! Such a little cute puppy. Look at the puppy. There was his little puppies. Look at it. So cute. I always wondered who sent us. I hope we'll figure out soon. Yeah, me too. but they do know their stuff. Get it? No. Well, I guess I'll never figure this out. I hope they never figure out that I'm the one who sent the package. I better make a run for it before they try to figure it out. Ouch.